As of May 2023, Google's YouTube is now abusing YouTube account users worldwide and violating national, American, U.S., and international copyright laws and treaties. I'm going to edit video in this video I posted in 2018. Scrolling down. So, clicking yes, it's made for kids because I do a lot of education in schools. Show more. And they've added a defaulted check mark, which is abuse of YouTube account users to allow automatic chapters and key moments. So I'm unchecking that, and they're not allowing me to uncheck it in all my YouTube videos, which are well over 2,000 videos. I'd have to go in one by one to uncheck it, which is outrageous. Scrolling further down here, they've done a shorts remixing. This is also new. Allow video and audio remixing. This, and then in the vision harmful, eye disease abetting, light value type. Let others create shorts using content from this video. If you don't allow remixing, shorts remix from this video will be permanently deleted, whatever that means. So I have to manually go in. And don't allow remixing to every single one of my videos without allowing me to have that don't allow remixing for all my videos in one single one single click as it should be. This is abuse of millions of YouTube account users worldwide. It's also a violation of all national, U.S. and international copyright laws and treaties by allowing anyone to copyrighted material without telling the YouTube account users that they're doing this now. It's completely outrageous. And I'm reporting this to the Washington State Attorney General, to the U.S. Federal Trade Commission, and to the U.S. FCC, Federal Communications Commission. I may also advise my congressman's office and U.S. senators as well. There's no excuse for this abuse by Google YouTube.